person already using the brand new system.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video we are going to discuss the types of chemical reactions. So for this particular video I've considered all the types of reactions that were discussed in CBSE class 10 lesson 1. So coming to the different types of chemical reactions, we basically have 8 types. The first one is the combination reaction, next we have decomposition and displacement, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. In this particular video I will be discussing two types of reactions, the first two types, which is the combination reaction and the decomposition reaction. So let's move on to the first type. So the first type of reaction that we have is a combination reaction. So combination reaction is nothing but two or more reactants, they combine to form one single product. So I have given a little representation here. Suppose A is one element and B is another element. So these two elements, they combine, as the name itself suggests. These two elements are going to combine and they give out a single product, which in our case is AB. So I have given two examples below. In the first example we have Mg as element and O2 oxygen. So the magnesium and the oxygen combine to give us magnesium oxide, which is 2MgO. Similarly we have a second example wherein carbon and oxygen, they combine to form CO2, which is carbon dioxide. So a combination reaction is wherein two or more reactants are going to combine together and give us a single product. So very simple, very straightforward. That is combination reaction. So the second type of reaction that we have is a decomposition reaction. So in decomposition reaction, one reactant is going to break down to form two or more products. So I have given a representation here as well. AB, which is a single reactant, it is a compound, it is going to break down to give us two or more products. Here we are getting A plus B. So this AB compound is breaking down into two elements, a single element A and another element B. So that is decomposition reaction. If you relate combination reaction to decomposition reaction, they're quite opposite. In combination, reactants are forming, they are combining together to give us a single product. Here in decomposition, a single reactant is breaking down to give us more products. So it's just quite an opposite. So I've taken the same carbon dioxide example here just to show you that they're quite opposite. So CO2, that is the carbon dioxide, is breaking down into a carbon and oxygen. So this is decomposition reaction. Yeah, that's the end of today's video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any doubts. I'll definitely reply back. In the next video we will be discussing the next two types, which is the displacement and the double displacement reaction. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.